Hello, we're going to be doing lesson 3.4, lesson 4 in chapter 3 today. And we're going to be talking about comparing to solve problems. So when you were learning addition, you would have some problems, word problems that had the phrases like how much more, how many more, or how much less. And so we knew that these were going to have to do with addition or subtraction. We also have these same types of phrases, but with more pertaining to multiplication. So we're going to see in these word problems for multiplication, how many times more and how many times greater. So that means that we're going to be doing multiplication comparisons, or we might have some division that we need to do. Luckily, multiplication and division are related, and so if we know a fact that puts them together through multiplication, we know a fact that takes them apart through the inverse operation of division. So Brian has been to a water park 4 times. Sarah has been to the water park 3 times as many times as Brian. How many times has Sarah been to the water park? That's what we need to find, is how many times has Sarah been to the water park. So we're going to write an equation to find the unknown. We can use a letter or a variable to represent the unknown. So we're kind of heading into algebra here, you guys. Okay? The unknown is the number of times that Sarah has been to the park. To represent that, we're going to use the letter S as our variable. So we know that Brian's been there 4 times, and Sarah has been there 3 times as many. So my problem is going to be 4 times 3 equals S, our unknown. So let's say I don't know that math fact. I'm going to go ahead and draw an array to make sure that I can figure that out. So I could do 4 groups. I'm sorry. I did 3 rows of 4 columns. And that shows me, if I counted all of these, which would take a long time, that I have a total of 12. So it's 3 groups of 4 as compared to that 1 group of 4. So I'm comparing these, and that gives me an answer of 12. Sarah has been to the water park 12 times. Okay, let's move over to this next problem. In example 2, sorry, my book's in the way. Example 2, it says, Jess has 18 baseball cards. I always like to underline my information. She has 6 times as many baseball cards as Max. How many baseball cards does Max have? Uh-oh, this sounds really confusing. So what I'm going to do is read it again. That's what I do when I get confused. Reread it. Jess has 18 baseball cards. Okay, so he has 18. Or she. She has 6 times as many baseball cards as Max. How many baseball cards does Max have? Well, I know that it's going to be times 6. And I know that Jess has 18. So what I need to figure out is how many times this number gets me this. And as I remember from my fact family triangles, oh, so it's 6 times something equals 18. I could use the division fact to find that out. Or, if I'm still unsure, I could draw a picture. And I could draw 18 squares. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do circles. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Whew. I better learn my facts soon. So I'm going to put them in groups of 3 because it's 6 times as many. And let's see, when I did them like that, I knew that there were 6 groups, and each group has 3 in it. So 6 times 3 equals 18. There are 6 squares in each group, and that equals 3. So, oops, I'm sorry. There are 3 squares. I'm so sorry. There are 3 squares in each group, or circles in my case. So Max has a total of only 3 baseball cards. So make sure that you're looking for those fact families to help you find the answers.